Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, ladies, are you tired of being sad, depressed, and frustrated about your alopecia, hair loss, or your hair issues? Well, no more worries, ladies, because I got you. Yes, today I'm going to introduce you to a beautiful, long-lasting, and affordable hairstyle. Yes, it's the no leave-out crochet braid hairstyle method. Yes, ladies, continue to keep watching to the end and see how I achieve this beautiful style. This style is long lasting and the hair is under $20. Yes, ladies, under $20. This is budget friendly. And with some patience and courage, you can achieve this style right at home. Yes, this is a DIY style. Do it yourself. Of course, I always start off with moisturizing my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is produced with lots of essential oils to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. And look how you can see how this hair growth butter just melts in her scalp and how it nourishes her hair. Not only just her hair, but her scalp as well. You can see the difference in the part of her hair that is moisturized with our G&G hair growth butter and the part that is not. You can definitely tell the difference. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. Our small jars are only $10 and our large jars are only what? $20. So again, start your hair growth journey today by tapping the link in the description below to get your order in. And yes, today I am introducing what? My custom made frontal. Yes, my custom made frontal is handmade by myself. And I am using that today with my client because she does have some hair loss in the front on her edges and at the top. But with this frontal, you can see how it's so easy to install. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can install it yourself. It comes pre-braided or you can braid it yourself. Yes, it comes in 2 different options. Again, pre-braided, well, all you have to do is install it just as I just did, or the other way, you can braid it yourself. And look at the difference. No one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss in the front, on her edges, or at the top. This style is going to come out absolutely gorgeous, ladies. Yes, absolutely beautiful. Again, continue to keep watching to the end so that you can see how this beautiful style was achieved. Please leave me some comments below. I love to get comments. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And again, here you're going to see how I do the knotless method to make sure that this style comes out absolutely seamless. I am going to show you in detail as you continue to keep watching how I do my knotless method to make sure that this style is flawless. So again, ladies, continue to keep watching to the end, and don't forget to tap that link in the description below to get your order in for your frontal. I also have closures, which are the 4x4s, and they are absolutely amazing for anyone who has alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, or even damaged hair. Even if you have healthy hair, this is a protective way that you can protect your hair while wearing your protective styles. Again, continue to keep watching to the end to see how this beautiful style comes out.